Yeah, me I say good morning. Yeah, to all of me YouTube fans them, and subscribers them. Yeah, so me I say I the one dan. Yeah, what me I say right now, me I talk something about family. Yeah, so me I say, yeah, and me no know why the police them a target the man so. Because now the first me see them go after the family like that. You see me I say, yeah. Remember one time when me go after him and say about some marriage or something. No, then go after him and say they want to question him. But all the work go on and mobile. So you hear what me I say? Me have to say, Tommy, watch yourself because I'm after you. So me I say, me don't know if I show you and Jamila war and you all these artists are war, enough of them are go a come after you. So me I say, but when me I say, boss, you must watch yourself. See me? Because I hold if a dancer enemy out there. You see me? Yeah man. Enough of them come and them stir up your anger and when you step out to defend yourself. Police them was saying our man, them was saying, because we could have heard say they done dead, Straight. So them the vibes cartel. Yeah. So the same people that may jump up for you are the same people that sell you out. So what me I say? Because them do cartel, yet still them say cartel are the biggest thing in the dance hall in that prison. You see what I say? So it's like them after every Gaza artist. After every Gaza artist. That's what I say. And these police have means and ways to get rid of a man. Where too famous or where them think say is a done where do things. You see what I say? So me I, me I hope that family walk free and nothing else not happen after that, you see me? Because family job blessing, because remember you did fall in an accident and just still a guide you. So me not lie family. Something wrong. Them police are come like them after you to take your life. You see what I say? Cartel in their prison. Cartel in their prison. And them send poison in there to kill him. For name it. So you see, them not like the Gaza artists them look like. Yeah. Because the dance thing full of all sorts of corruption. You see what I say? Yeah, so family, me I say God go with you. Yeah man. God go with you because Jah guide you. Me not lie. I love your music. Straight. Yeah man, I love your music. Yeah. And watch yourself in the street, family. Although you're supposed to know that. Watch yourself. I mean I tell the dancehall artists them. Watch themselves in the street. That's what I say. Because I whole heap of dancehall enemy out there. Yeah. I tell you that. Watch yourself in the street and no. Boy, the business I work with police. That's what I say. So, you what I say, man. That's my thing for family. Say, family, just watch yourself, my boss. Yeah. Watch yourself, and the rest of artists, them. Watch on yourself. Because them, on the field, say them now watch, them I watch, and them I get information. So, family, me know you not do nothing bad still. You see me? Yeah, but them just want to get you out of the way. But Jah guide you and guide and protect you. You see what I say? Straight. Just my partner from family. Yeah, me thank God tell them never did shoot and kill him. Yeah. And me thank God tell family never did pop off nothing. For them kill him. You see what I say? So I just Jah guide family, man. For real. No matter how evil family you want to put in that music. That is just music. Jah knows say Jah know family heart. You see what I say? I don't know why them want to get rid of the done. Jah know, I don't know what make. But God dey on your side, Lee. God dey on your side. Nah, I tell no lies. Straight. Big up yourself, family, and God go with you. Straight.